Exercise 1.4, fill in the blanks. Minus 40 divided by dash is equal to 40. So a number has to be multiplied with 40 so that the answer is minus 40. If you multiply by 1, you will get 40 into 1, 40. But here the number is minus 40. So I am multiplying by minus 1. Next question, 25 divided by dash is equal to minus 5. So 5 multiplied by 5, you will get back 25. But the answer is plus 25. So minus into minus is plus. So I am multiplying by minus 5. Dash divided by minus 4 is equal to 9. Here you need to find the dividend value. So for that, multiply these two numbers. 9 into minus 4. So that is minus 36. Next question, minus 62 divided by minus 62. So any number divided by the same number, the answer is 1. Second question, say true or false. Minus 30 divided by minus 6. So minus 30 divided by minus 6. Minus minus will get cancelled. And when you divide 30 by 6, you will get 5. But here the answer is minus 6. So this statement is false. Second question, minus 64 divided by minus 64 is 0. We already know that any number divided by the same number, the answer is 1. But here they have given 0. So the second statement is also false. Find the values of the following. Minus of 75 divided by 5. Minus 75 divided by 5. So when you divide 75 by 5, you will get 15 as your quotient. Since you have minus in your dividend value, you will have minus in your quotient also. Next question, minus 100 divided by minus 20. So minus minus will get cancelled. 100 divided by 20, the answer is 5. Next question, 45 divided by minus 9. 9 5s are 45. Since you have minus sign here, you will have minus in your quotient. Minus 82 divided by 82. So any number divided by the same number, the answer is 1. Since you have negative sign here, you will get negative here also. Fourth question, the product of two integers is minus 135. If one number is minus 15, find the other number. It's a word problem. We have to write those statements. First write what is the product of two integers. It's minus 135. And they have given one number as minus 15. So you need to find the other integer. So let us assume the other number to be x. So you are multiplying minus 15 into the variable x, so that the answer is minus 135. You need the value of x. So send minus 15 this side. So minus 135, here it's in multiplication. So when it comes this side, it becomes division. So minus 15. Minus minus will get cancelled. 135 divided by 15, the quotient is x. So therefore, other number is equal to 9. Fifth question, in 8 hours duration with uniform decrease in temperature, the temperature dropped 24 degrees Celsius. How many degrees did the temperature drop each hour? It's a word problem, so we have to write statements. In 8 hours, the drop in temperature is equal to 24 degrees Celsius. So in 1 hour, the drop in temperature is equal to 24 degrees Celsius divided by 8. So the answer is 3 degrees Celsius. So therefore, the temperature dropped 3 degrees Celsius every hour. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 15 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 250 meter? So this elevator shaft, it travels at the speed of 5 meter in 1 minute, and it currently in the 15 meter above the ground level, and it has to reach down the ground, that is below the ground level, about 250 meter. So word problem, so we have to write with statements. First we will write elevator's position. So this elevator is 15 meter above the ground level, so you should mention it by plus 15 meter, and it should reach minus 250 meters, so that is our reaching point. So now let us write distance to be traveled. So it's already 15 meter above the ground level, so you should add that 15 also, and it has to reach 250 meter under the ground, so you will add 15 plus 250, that is 15 meter plus 250 meter, 265 meter. So time taken to descend 5 meter is 1 minute. It is given in the question. So you need to find the time taken to descend 265 meter. So multiply 265 by 5. Answer is 53 minutes. A person lost 4,800 calories in 30 days. If the calorie loss is uniform, calculate the loss of calorie per day. It's a word problem, so we need to write statements. Loss of calories in 30 days is 4,800. Loss of calories in one day is equal to 4,800 divided by 30. So when you divide, you will get the answer to be 160. Therefore 160 calories lost per day. Given 168 into 32 is equal to 5376, then find minus 5376 divided by minus 32. So they have given 168 into 32 is equal to 5376. So from this you can write 5376 divided by 32 is equal to 168. You need to find minus of 5376 divided by minus of 32. Minus and minus will get cancelled, so you'll get back the same answer. Ninth question, how many minus 4s are there in minus 20? Number of minus 4s in minus 20 is equal to, divide minus 20 by minus 4, we'll get the answer as 5. 10th question, minus 400 divided into 10 equal parts gives, so just divide minus 400 divided by 10, so 0 and 0 will get cancelled, so we'll get the answer as minus 40. So 11th is a multiple choice question. Which of the following does not represent an integer? We'll solve each option. When you solve the first option, 0 divided by minus 7, you'll get the answer as 0, which is an integer. And 20 divided by minus 4, the answer is minus 5. Minus 9 divided by 3, the answer is minus 3 again, which is an integer. 12 divided by 5, you will not get a whole number as your quotient, you will get integer, which is not an you'll get a fraction which is not an integer. So the correct answer is fourth option. So 12th is again a multiple choice question. Minus 16 divided by 4 is the same as the first option, minus of minus 16 divided by minus 4. So if you see in the first option, if you multiply minus inside, both the term will become positive. So we'll neglect first option. The second one, minus 16 divided by minus 4, this is also not possible because in the question you have minus sign only for the one term, whereas for the third option it has minus sign only for the 4. So the correct answer is third option. 13th question, minus 200 divided by 10. So we'll solve minus 200 divided by 10. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So the answer is minus 20, which is the second option. The set of integers is not closed under. The options are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And you have learnt in a property that set of integers is not closed under division. So the correct option is fourth option.